Bah John Kharshiing ubulong uwei ni riewsainpyrthei jong jylla ola pyniasoh Seng NPP haga kharwei tarik Risaw ahaja arpwei ryngkat jingiadon lang National President ke NPP but Myntri Rangbah jylla Conrad Sangma. Haba kren hakani jyialang Bah John ulong bakani Seng kaba ialam ke sorkar kadei Seng kaba sngap ke surjung paidbah baru kyrpad ki paidbah ban Ailad ka ban Synshar shipho Snem.
Sorkar ka sngap ka sur paidbah ki syong haki mo ki khep ngayu ba kadang-kadang ke sorkar kepala warra itu ke resolution halo ke ILP. Hoi kepala balong namar kadi ke lang ya ke home ministry. Kadi ke home ministry ke benda. Ndai hato ke sorkar kalau pas ni kata ka ya ke resolution. Kila ada pas ke coalition lang ko. Wat ki opposition du ki khashan lang ya ta. Te ngasobot ong Kyntu kyrpad lomba kani ke jingia Kyntu. Ai kublai pi kinong pathai ko bor. Bapin panai lam ka khubor. Baka kyrpad nak kaleng jonga kalong ya baro tong in Ailad ya gani Seng bakan yo lakum no anum dunai ke Snem yo penyai ke policy ke bobon ke ban mentoy yang jadi.
Conrad haka jingkren jong ulong baga sorkar jong kana le bon ki kam ya ka baki wei par ki sorkar kim shimla not ban le namar kane kin sabon ki wei par ki nang ialam bar ki riewpau khamar ki ban pyniasoh bar ki NPP.
This is a beginning, and I am very positive and very sure that given the current political situation that is prevailing in the state, given the current political situation that is there, especially in the opposition party, we are expecting that more and more like-minded people, more and more people who really want to do positive change for the state will see that it is inevitable and it will be most productive if they come and join the NPP and they are working with us together in order to achieve their goals and their objectives as well as contribute towards the development of the state. So we do expect, and I do urge all like-minded leaders from different political parties, especially the opposition, that we need to work together. This government has dared to take steps which a lot of governments did not. This government has taken bold measures and steps and decisions which others got scared or did not have the guts to do at that point in time. And we're not saying that these are easy decisions or easy steps or easy stands. These are very tough. But we are very clear in our mind what we want to achieve and how we want to move forward. Therefore, all these aspects require that we need the support of the people, we need the support of leaders to come and work with us, so that we are able to take all these steps that we have started to the logical conclusion.